What up, dog? I'm Min. I can't rap since I'm a motherfucking G. But it's all good. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, Z. I can't cease to be a beast. From the top to the bottom. I got a job in Tottenham. I got tons of cash. And I receive a huge backlash. That's my name. Minh-Khoi Lee. That's my name. Minh-Khoi Lee. 2 plus 2 equals 3. 3 plus 3 equals 3. 3 of 3. I can't rap cause I'm gay. Book loud. Waka tu. Square root of 4.
Hey, my name is Tony. I am a weeaboo. I like to stroke ponies. Yo estoy en la casa de tu madre en la cama. Yo no sé why you are so bad. Shout out to my man Mark. He left us for his fam. I hate you. I'll hunt you.
Dennis here. I'm here to rap about the disproportions of this rap. Through the woods and through the halls, I am here to conquer them all. Here with Tony from the city, recognizing the true family. From his house to my house, I hate Marvis to the stars. Even though we hang out in gay bars. I'm done here with my rap. Here comes Min, back again.
Guess who? It's me, Min. Got the munchies, no money. So I ran, and I ran. For my life, ran into some females, saying to them, living life on the edge. Got a wedge, need a ledge. With that ledge, I will jump into the next project. See y'all on the next rap. Word. Thanks to Tony and Dennis. Glad to have worked with you and in the near future. And thanks to our actor Avery.